kasama ka. Oh, wait. Atas ako. Hindi, ikaw okay lang.
Oh, sige.
Ako atras. 1, 2. Okay. Isa pa. Wait lang. Oh, one more. Uli. Dito. Okay. One more. Okay.
That's for magic pills.
Wait. Tapos isasama ko si ano ah. Oo. Wait. One more. Tama mo. Okay. One, two. One more. Tapos solo ni Aina. Okay na mali. Okay. Aina, one more here. Sorry. Kasi naman yun. Ayun na. Nasi Kenchu. One more. One more. Smile. Wait lang. Mimi. Mimi. Mimi.
Sandali lang po, mama. Sandali lang po. Media muna po.
Mimi, one more. Right.
Mimi.
Okay.
For magic pills. Mimi, isa pa.
Okay. Isa pa, dito rin.
Saan yung ilaw natin?
Tapos solo.
Wait lang.
Solo mo na ni Paddington.
Ayan, sige, ilawan kita.
Okay, one more. Isa pa. Isa pa.
Ilawan mo din ako.
Oh, sige yan.
Isa. Okay.
Be, dito ka naman tumingin, Be. Okay. Isa pa. 1, 2. Oh, Marla naman. Ay, pwede pa yun ah.
Sige.
Wait lang po.
Yan. Yun. Wait lang. Isa pa.
Dito rin.
Ito rin. Yan. One more. One more.
Dito rin,
Pa, sa may
Be.
accent pa. Yan. OMG.
Dito ka, Be.
Lighting.
1, 2. Yan.
Siyan. Siyan.
Now, before all of that, we would like to thank our sponsors. Thank you so much to McDonald's for the food, Hearts and Bells for making this event possible. Thank you so much, Captain Cinema. We would also like the presence of the people from Captain Cinema, especially Miss Maver Mayuga and Miss Michelle Mapua. Good evening to you, ladies. Also, joining us tonight is political counselor Stephen Lysack from the British Embassy. Good evening to you, sir. Where is Mr. Stephen Lysack?
Sino to?
Hello, sir. Good evening. And of course, we would also like to thank the Star Magic artists who are here. And we would also like to thank the handlers and of course the road managers of Star Magic for being here and the ABS-CBN executives who took time out of their busy schedules to be with us tonight. So, to spice up tonight's event, those edited bookmarks. For the rest who have not claimed their goodie bags, you can claim them later at the reception area. All you have to do is look for Miss Liza.
Okay, 1, 2.
Ipangit mo kamay ni Padre ito, parang may alam. Picture tayo.
Straight na naman. Parang naman kung ikaw Paddington.
Mga anak,
Kaya mo naman Paddington.
Ay,
Kaya ka naman Paddington eh.
ayan, nag-Paddington. Okay, sila naman. Mga ating kaibigan, nakikiya naman din sa'yo.
Sander.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Standard sa binabaan namin. Pababa na. Ay,
Bakit ka nagkasalita?